Hey guys, take a look around your home. A pencil, a wooden pillar, a chess piece, a water bottle, a cooking pot, or even many stainless steel kitchen vessels. Have you noticed that circular grooves and rings on their surfaces? Most of these shapes are created by removing material evenly around a central axis, giving them a perfectly symmetrical profile. That's exactly what the groove tool does in FreeCAD. Instead of cutting straight into a model like pocket tool, grooves revolves your sketch around an axis and removes material to create circular grooves. Let's see how it works in just 2 minutes. And this is part 8 of FreeCAD 2-minute tutorial series. Let's jump into the topic. We are inside the FreeCAD environment. Make sure you have created body and sketch and both are active. First, I'm gonna create a simple cylinder in fast forward mode. Then using just the glue tool, I will turn that plain cylinder into a beautiful single leg table. Now that the cylinder has been created, we need to create a sketch before applying the glue tool. This sketch defines the profile that will be revolved to remove the material and create the groove. I press the create sketch button and select the XZ axis, which is front view axis of the cylinder. Let's draw the shape to make profile. Now the profile sketch is ready. Let's close the sketch and I'm gonna hit the groove button. Let's see what happened. See, this is the result of our profile sketch after applying groove. In right side groove parameters, I have selected axis as vertical sketch axis and angle as 360 degree. Now I am gonna make 3 more sketches in the same axis. 2 of those are circles and remaining is a rectangle. Now the 3 sketches has been created. I'm gonna select the first one and hit the groove button. See how it works. Even if I have drawn a full circle, only half of it has contact with the cylinder. I am just playing with the angle values. Now I'm gonna select and apply groove for next to 2 sketches one by one in fast forward mode. Let's see the final result. See, this is the result of the remaining 2 sketches at various angle values, and our beautiful single leg table has been created by using the groove tool. Now I am creating the same shape using the revolve tool, which we covered earlier in the series. If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. I will leave the link in the I button. It will give you a clearer understanding of how the groove tool works and help you to understand this tutorial even better. Now I am creating a pencil using the groove tool so you can compare it with the sharpener tool. Notice how the groove tool removes material by removing the sketch around an axis, just like a sharpener shapes the tip of a pencil. Guys, to surprise you, I have created another shape. Let's see the result after hitting the groove button. I'm gonna hit the groove button. Guys, it's nothing but a water bottle. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe the video and rate my water bottle in comment section. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.